Hello guys, good morning. So I just dropped a signal on the platform and it was a pending order. Okay, so I dropped buy limit on P1000. You can see this was our entry. You can see our entry right there. You can see our entry right here. And that's why I told them to drop their pending order. So let me show you on the VIP room. So this is the VIP room. You can see this morning I just woke up. This was around 7:21. I told them set pending order on P1000, buy limit on P1000. That's the buy limit. Okay, and let's drop SL because the most important thing will be your SL before your TP. So at least you want to be sure that there was a spike before you start looking for TP. So yeah, so I decided to give them my SL and depending order level. You can see now we are in profit. We are eating, guys. We are eating so much, guys. We are eating. So look at this guy. This guy entered and he made so much. He made so much. He had a better entry here. All right. He made so much already with a very small account. All right. So you can see that's how we make money. That's how we make money in the VIP room. So it's no scam. It's not a scam. Some people feel it's a scam, but we are not scamming people in the VIP room. We are actually making good money. So now I want to show you guys my reason for this trade. Why did I drop my pending order there? So when catching spike, it's awesome. It's also a bit okay to drop pending order. Though generally I don't like using pending order, but there are some setups that I see and I feel this requires pending order. And funny enough, I was actually watching some video on YouTube when this spike happened. It was when my student called my attention to it that it has spiked over and over. That's when I decided to check, and behold, we had massive spikes there, right? So I did not place that pending order. I won't be seeing when it has gotten to that level and it has started spiking. Okay, but I don't like pending order. I like seeing what the markets would do. I like seeing the price reaction. Then I take advantage of probably the sector will see in the markets instead of just setting a pending order. Okay, so I'll tell you guys today or now my reason for putting a pending order where I put the pending order. Okay, so if you're new on the channel, please smash that like button as we continue, subscribe and share this video with friends. Join a free Telegram channel. Check the description to join the free Telegram channel. All right, thank you. So okay, this is P1000, almighty P1000. I know a lot of you, like every one of you, wants to trade boom 1000, want to trade boom and crash boom 1000 and crash 1000 mostly. So I want to show you guys my reason for this trade. All right, so go ahead and delete this everything here, then I'll place them back again. All right, okay, so B1000. So let's move to our 4 hours charts. On the 4 hours charts, we see we are having a strong uptrend. We are having a strong uptrend. We are having a very strong mighty uptrend. You can see market moving like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and lower low. All right, so we had a lower low, which I thought market was going down because I was actually expecting to buy somewhere here all the way up again. But since that level got broken, I was expecting market to hit back to this point and start dropping heavily. But look at what happened. Market dropped down, went below and created a lower low. After the lower low, there was a massive move to the upside, which broke the previous high, right? So that makes it an uptrend. So coming back here, we'll be waiting for the base. At the base, we'll be waiting for market to get to the zone. All right, the key support zone for us to find a buying opportunity. So you can see what happened. Market dropped back to this point and started moving all the way up again. It started showing some weakness, bearish weakness, and some bullish momentum. All right, at this point, I hope you guys can see that very well. All right, bearish weakness and bullish momentum. So why am I saying that? We had a long rejection here on the 4 hours. The previous 4 hours closed with massive rejection. Okay, then if you check on the 2 hours charts. I love switching my time frame to different time frames to find entries. That's how I do. I trade multiple time frames. So you need to learn that how to trade multiple time frame is very important. It's very important. Everybody needs to know how to trade multiple time frames, because that way you'll be able to know know what the market is actually doing. If you go to 1 hour, it does not tell you something you understand. You can go to 2 hours, go to 4 hours, 30 minutes, and even 15 minutes time frame to find good reasons why you should buy or sell a particular setup. Okay, so on the 2 hours chart, we had massive rejection here that shows that buyers are in the market. Then sellers tried to push it down a bit. Then buyers they took over, and this candlestick closed the previous candlestick, close green bullish candlestick. Then this other one now, this way now I know that we have markets going to the buy side this time. So when this one started, I saw it somewhere above this level, around this level. I told myself, no, it's not cool to buy. Let me wait for market to drop back to this point, then I'll find an entry. All right. So now, we see we are. This is a support zone. This is a support zone. Okay. So how is it a support zone? How is that a support zone? You need to bring in your trend line tool. This is a trend line tool, and you place it like this. That's a support. Okay, that's a trend right there. Okay, then around this level again, if you look closely, you see that we had some places where market reversed. Right, we had some places where market reversed, like here, like this level. Market reversed around this level. Market reversed around this level, right? And another reversal here, right? So that tells you this is a zone, that is a support. So you bring in your horizontal line to, and you place it somewhere there. Yeah, that's right there. You place it there. So now this is a support, and this is a confluence zone, a confluence area, which is a high probability setup, right? So yeah, so we have in support, trend line support, and horizontal line supports. We have three confirmations already. Look, four confirmations already. We see the first confirmation was the structure. The second confirmation is was the rejection, the bearish rejections and bullish momentum. So that's two. Then we have support, trend line support, and trend horizontal line support. That makes it four reasons combinations. So we also confirm candlesticks on the 4 hours time frame, the price action on the 4 hours time frame, and also confirm on the 2 hours time frame, and as well on the 1 hour time frame we also confirmed that, and we had more bullish candlesticks around that area. And then on the 30 minutes time frame we still have more bullish push to the upside. So we have five confirmations now that we have more buyers than sellers in this level, around this area now. So you can see that's how to do your trading. You need to have multiple reasons why you're taking a trade. You don't just come in and take a trade. That's why you need to plan and trade your plan. So your plan will now include you knowing the price reaction. That's why I told you earlier that sometimes I don't like putting pending order. I only use pending order when about to catch spike, because I know when market get to a certain region, it might want to spike and give us money. So you can see we've gotten like five reasons why I put that pending order. So, and or why I decided I should buy B1000. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure that you're smashing the like button as we are talking. Okay, smash that like button as we are talking. You're learning something here, something that your mentor or your or this YouTube creators are not ready to show, to tell you. So that's, you have to go and pay money and learn them differently. All right, so you can see we've gotten like five reasons. So now my six reasons for the pending order will really be for the pending order. So now I saw market around this level. Let me zoom in a bit. So I saw market around this level here. It was around this level here when I saw the last spike, and I was like, well, I didn't mean I was here. I would have jumped in here around this level and buy it all the way up, right? all the way up from this level. So I told myself, if it's gonna drop back to this point, that would be awesome. So what should I do? We have something like a support here, minus zone here. We have a minus zone there. So if you look back, you see that market has been reversing around that level, like what we have here. And you see market reversed here, reversed here, reversed here. Okay, so you can see that, right? So now, instead of me to put the pending order on this line, I decided to put it few points above the line. Why? Because it might decide to spike just around this level. So if it did not spike around this level where I was away, it will just spike somewhere below this level, and I'll SL below this structure. You can see that, right? So you can see that's the sixth reason. So I decided to place my pending order here above this line, so that when market gets to that point, it's gonna spike and give us some money, right? So, and another thing there is on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, I see market doing something like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, and knew that it's coming back for higher low, right? So the higher low will never be below this level. If is really planning to go up, it will never be below the low of this candlestick. So I decided to put it somewhere above the low of this candlestick, right? I'm exposing everything right here. All right, so you guys need to learn. Join the academy to learn more. Trust me, I'll give you the very best. You'll never regret learning from me. If you check my academy, I'm like, my students are the best. I have the best students. The last batch, which is the February batch that we are not yet done, we are almost done. They are learning, they are fired. Trust me, I'm releasing them into the wild. I feel sorry for Deriv, because those guys are crazy. They are really, really crazy. Before the end of this video, I'll show you the platform, what we are doing there, what they are doing there. They are so good. All right, so now you see the spike, right? From this level, there was a massive spike and we are in good profits. And now, since we've broken the last high, we're expecting market to keep going up, right? It will spike very soon. It might spike somewhere here. It will spike very soon and give us more money, right? So you can see my alarm. You can see the alarm was ringing. I had alarm ringing by 8 a.m. So I want to tell somebody here, and I want to advise somebody here. That's why I keep saying, if you're watching my video, make sure that you watch my video to the end. You always learn something. You cannot watch my video without learning anything. You must always learn something from my video. So here, this is my support right here. Sorry, yeah, the alarm. I set alarm every 1 hour. Why? Because every 1 hour I want to go back to my charts. No matter how busy, no matter the phone I'm having, no matter what I'm doing, I need to go back to my chart to check the candles. Sorry, to check the pace that I listed out for. I have good setup that I'm listed out for the day. This is what I'm trading today. If I, after doing my analysis, I realized that I have like 5 setups on different or in different this thing pace or assets. Every 1 hour I need to go there, and I just 1 hour chart, candlestick, to confirm my entries that give me high probability. So every 1 hour I go back to my chart to see what is happening, right? Though I don't always go every 1 hour, I could check it every minute that I remember, or I carry my phone. All right, so because my chart is always the first thing when I carry my phone, my chart is always the first thing. But every 1 hour, in case I was driving, in case I was playing, in case I was doing whatsoever, every 1 hour I go back to my chart and see what is happening. There is always something every 1 hour. There's always a candlestick that I want to tell you to buy or sell every 1 hour. So you see, you've learned something really important, something you did not know now. So you need to watch all my videos to the end and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with friends. You've learned so much. You've learned so much from this video. So share with friends and let's grow like that. All right. So that'll be all, guys. I love you. Bye bye.